India is under fire as
critical statements on Prophet Muhammad considered blasphemy in Islam is often a rallying cry across the Muslim world. In recent times, a campaign has been run on this issue after controversial comments of Nupur Sharma, a spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. But a closer look at the media campaign shows that it aims to target not one controversy but seeks to paint India and Indians as the source of blasphemy against the Prophet. This campaign is especially aimed at populations in Gulf nations where millions of Indians live and thrive. Who is running this campaign? Research by Dfrac shows that one of the main Twitter handles running this campaign is called Support Prophet, and the name of the organization that runs is International Organization to Support the Prophet of Islam. A majority of the members of this organization are connected to the Muslim Brotherhood, a militant Islamist organization, and the Salafism of Ibn Abdul Wahhab. Ironically, Ibn Wahhab has been accused of insulting the Prophet and promoting fanaticism in Islam. So how Salafists can be involved in such a campaign is anyone's guess. International Organization to Support the Prophet of Islam operates from Istanbul in Turkey, a country that has consistently taken an anti-India stance on international forums in recent times. This organization also has an Indian member among its trustees, called Sheikh Salman Hussein al-Husseini al-Nadwi, who has openly supported the terrorist group, Islamic State's chief, Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi. The International Organization to Support the Prophet of Islam, and its Twitter handle, Support Prophet, has consistently shared false information and fake news. For instance, the handle claimed that an Afghan Sufi imam was killed by Hindus, which was completely false, and it turned out to be a property dispute-related killing. It has also shared a fake video claiming that a Muslim woman was hit by a car being driven by a Hindu, whereas investigation revealed that it was a simple hit-and-run case. In recent weeks, after the Nupur Sharma controversy broke out, this handle has been consistently putting out anti-India propaganda, asking for a boycott of Indian diplomats in Arab countries, a boycott of Indian products, and urging the eviction of Indians from Gulf nations. The same organization has also been behind a campaign to promote the boycott of French products after the French government refused to bow to Islamist terror, and killings of members of the Charlie Hebdo publication after it published cartoons after the Prophet. The Support Prophet also supports people accused of spreading terrorist activities, like Zakir Naik, who is wanted by Indian authorities and has fled to Malaysia, and prominent India critic and American law professor Khalid Baidu. This account has a following across the Middle East, the United States, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Sudan, Libya, Morocco, and others. It is followed by the Al Jazeera bureau chief in Yemen Saeed Thabit, the Syrian politician Mustafa Sajari, and Hawass Ahmad, who runs an Arabic publication from Germany called Risala Post. The International Organization to Support the Prophet of Islam, and its handle, @Support Prophet, also have a footprint on Facebook, where they post constant anti-India propaganda, and their website has its domain and server information hidden. It is also important to note that it is clear that this organization is using the pretext of supporting the Prophet to fuel sentiments against India across the Muslim world, and attack not only Indian but millions of Indians living in Muslim countries.